सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and blessings. Living enlightenment process is living enlightenment process. I think I can give only this as an introduction. Living enlightenment process is living enlightenment process. Maybe I can give you the story of how this program happened in me. In these 53 days of illegal imprisonment. During the 53 days, maybe it was the evening, I was just going through Hatha Yoga Pratipika by a great master Swatmarama, Swami Swatmarama, who is master and compiler of the Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga means the science of becoming enlightened and science of preparing the body for enlightenment. You can say the science of bolting the enlightenment experience in your physiology. So that is Hatha Yoga. He is a great master, Swatmarama. I was just going through his books, his works. When I was going through a sloka, it was such a powerful sloka. It was talking about the technique of changing the very shape of your body, the very physiology, just by altering the breath, nothing else. Just if you stop the one side nostril and shift the flow to the other side, just stopping the one side and shifting the flow to the other side, just playing with the flow of breath, flow of breathing, very playfully, the very physiological structure can be changed. The very size of the muscles, the very size of the hands, legs, eyes, the very physiological structure can be changed. I was really shocked. I said, oh God, how can this be? Does it really work in the modern day? Please understand, any technique, any process, any method, first I apply it on this physiology which I am having. See, this physiological structure, this body is born and brought up in this modern day, went through all the ups and downs of this modern day body, whether food or lifestyle or system, everything. So I apply it on this physiology. Only if it works on this body, it will work on those bodies. Actually, only if I apply it on this body and experience it, I will get a right word to transmit that experience in you. Transmit that technique on you. Transmit that process to you. That is an important thing you need to understand. I decided to apply that process on me. I am just seeing how the whole flow happened. See, for example, if you lift 10 kg with your right hand, some changes happens in your muscles, some changes happens in your breath, breathing, some changes happens in your chakras, energy centers. Understand? When you lift 10 kg, some changes in your muscles, some corresponding changes in your breathing system, corresponding vibration changes in your 7 chakras. So I was trying to do this trying to reverse this whole thing. I tried to create the same vibration in the chakra. I saw very clearly the same breathing changes are happening and same muscle changes are happening. So now I know the formula of shaping your body without working out. You don't need to work out. Just sit and create certain particular vibration with either sound or simple change of breathing technique, breathing formula. You can build your muscles. You can build your body as you want. It was such a strong revelation. Oh God. And I tried for 2-3 days. I could literally see body bulging or shrinking. So suddenly I got an idea. Why not make a mystical body? Body itself so mystically. So the whole right side should look like masculine. If they photograph, it should be very masculine, manly, and the whole left side should look like Devi, feminine. Just all I did is 24 hours played with the breathing. I literally saw one side separately bulging and becoming masculine, the other side becoming thin and just feminine grace. Just 24 hours. I thought, oh God, what a science. What a great science. That surprise and shock. See, I always know Hatha Yoga was great science, but I never thought it is alive even to this body. It works even on the modern day human bodies. Then this surprise became excitement. I went on scanning 200 different techniques from Hatha Yoga. Download, work, scan and see how it directly either leads you or keeps the enlightenment experience in the body. So I saw very clearly how the non-mechanical parts of the brain is awakened. How that enlightenment experience can be stored in the body. The intelligence can be stored in the body. So every day it was such an excitement. Free time, 53 days. Where will I get? Every day these techniques, scanning, I'll just apply it on the body and see how it responds. It takes hardly 3 to 4 seconds only for the technique to respond and express its full expression in my system. So in ordinary body it may take just 2 to 3 hours, that's all, nothing more. I was really shocked. The power of this process, these techniques, these methods. And whole day I am in samadhi. The very physiology need to be changed. It's not just psychology, very physiology that needs to be changed. So here I am doing the inner awakening. When you go back to your society, again inner sleeping. What to do? How to go about? This whole program is just from that one statement. Is true. It has to be physiological mutation, not just psychological mutation. Please understand. I saw Only Hatha Yoga can make physiological mutation to happen. One advantage of Hatha Yoga, means working on the body, is the enlightenment experience will stay with you. One disadvantage is, if you don't have the psychological mutation, only physiological mutation, you will have extraordinary powers which is dangerous for you and society. Understand, I am going to teach you guys the science of miracles. You are going to see miracles and know the science of miracles. I am promising. And now I am very careful about the words I am uttering. I promise you are going to learn the science of miracles. I saw so many miracles. The miraculous way of holding the enlightenment in the body. See, without psychological mutation, means the inner awakening program kind of a program, where the ideas, the truths are transmitted. Without that, if you just have this Hatha Yoga, physiological mutation, you may have extraordinary power, not enlightenment, which is dangerous for you and the society. Same way, without the physiological mutation, if it is only psychological, like inner awakening kind of programs, again the problem is, people lose it. People slowly miss it. They are not able to retain, hold on to it. This whole living enlightenment process is working on the body, physiological mutation, so that all the experiences you had, all the seeds gets deeper and deeper into your system, and deeper understandings and experiences happens. Above all, it stays in your system. That is the unique thing. It stays in your system. So this whole process, 48 days, one commitment I take is keeping the experience inside your system permanently. Permanently, eternally. That is the commitment I am taking. That is the commitment I am taking, because I saw it works. It works. I have started editing my words very carefully, very technically and very legally. With this clarity, I am telling you very responsibly, the system, it works. Ordinary bodies which you are all carrying. That's all. That's all. I have 200 techniques just like unclutching. Just like unclutching, which is independently intelligent to lead you to enlightenment. Independently intelligent to lead you to enlightenment. 200 techniques, 200 methods. This is the story how the living enlightenment process was developed by me, how this program evolved. I am not able to introduce the program itself. Really, I am not able to introduce. See, there are some mysteries in the life you cannot explain at all. This whole program has happened during the 53 days in prison. That's why I am telling you. This is my message to humanity. Through this program, I am giving a strong message to humanity. Oh society, unconscious society, even if you try to imprison me, I will work to liberate you. Even if you try to imprison me by putting in prison, even in prison, I will work to liberate you. That's a message. That's a theme. That's the base of this whole program. Will work It's going to be really wonderful program. That's all I can say.